Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode on Hairstyle Trends for Women, your trusted style guide where beauty begins with a fabulous hairstyle. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 15 most beautiful, practical, and trending hairstyles that are making waves in 2025. Let's begin with a classic that never goes out of fashion, the French twist. Elegant, timeless, and perfect for formal occasions, the French twist gives you that graceful, royal look. Whether you're going to a wedding, a dinner party, or a professional event, this updo is your best friend. At number 2, we have the butterfly layers. Inspired by the soft flutters of butterfly wings, this hairstyle uses deep, flowing layers to frame your face. It works best on medium to long hair and adds stunning movement and bounce. It's feminine, flirty, and totally in style right now. Number 3 on our list is the ultra-modern glass hair look. Think super straight, glossy, and sharp hair that reflects light like glass. Achieved with a flat iron and smoothing serum, this look is for those who love a polished and powerful image. Moving on to number 4, box braids. Not only are they protective and low maintenance, but they also come in various lengths and colors. Add beads or cuffs for a stylish twist. Box braids are culturally rich and fashion-forward. 5th, we have the loose bohemian waves. Think soft, romantic curls that fall naturally over your shoulders. This look is ideal for both casual and semi-formal settings. Add a floral clip or headband, and you're instantly boho chic. Number 6 is perfect for busy mornings, the messy bun with a twist. Pull your hair into a loose bun and let a few strands fall free around the face. Add a twist or braid on one side for extra flair. Quick, stylish, and effortlessly cool. Coming in at number 7, we have Korean see-through bangs. Light, airy bangs that reveal your forehead just slightly. These bangs are delicate, cute, and give your face a youthful touch without feeling heavy. Number 8, fishtail braid. This intricate braid is ideal for long hair and gives an elegant, handcrafted feel to your look. It's ideal for festivals, picnics, or just when you want to feel a bit extra. Next, we're looking at the ever-popular high puff ponytail. This style lifts your entire face and gives volume to your crown area. Pair it with statement earrings for a glam look or keep it minimal for everyday charm. 10th on our list, the claw clip comeback. Yes, claw clips are back in style and trending hard. Twist your hair up and secure it with a large clip for that 90s vibe with a modern twist. It's simple, stylish, and saves time. Number 11, textured lob long bob. This is perfect for women who don't want hair too long or too short. The textured ends give movement and depth. It's great for thin hair too. At number 12, slick middle part bun. Loved by celebrities and influencers, this clean, center-parted bun is ideal for events or photo shoots. It highlights your facial structure and works great with statement makeup. 13, bubble ponytail. Separate your ponytail into bubble sections using small rubber bands. This style is playful, unique, and great for parties or Instagram selfies. 14, the romantic side braid. A loose side braid paired with soft makeup gives you a dreamy look. Perfect for date nights, garden weddings, or spring outings. And finally, number 15, layered curls. Curls with layers give your hair that voluminous, lively bounce. Whether natural or styled, this look is joyful, energetic, and full of personality. As we wrap up this episode, remember, your hair is your crown. Whether short or long, straight or curly, black or blonde, your hair tells a story. And here at Hairstyle Trends for Women, we help you tell it beautifully. Soft layers are back with a bang in 2025. This style gives you movement, volume, and a very natural, airy look. It works best on medium to long hair and can be styled with a round brush or left loose for a beachy vibe. It's perfect for women who love versatility without too much maintenance. Pro tip: add subtle highlights or balayage to enhance the dimension of the layers. Curtain bangs have been around for a while, but this year, they've evolved. In 2025, we're seeing a softer, more blended look. They frame the face beautifully, especially for heart and oval face shapes. Pair them with long waves or a sleek ponytail for an effortlessly chic finish. Comment below if you've ever tried curtain bangs, love them or hate them. Jet black, glass-like hair is trending massively this year. Think sharp partings, high gloss, and a bold, powerful finish. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement without using color. Pair it with straightened strands and a little shine spray for that runway look. Hot tip: use a heat-protecting serum to keep your strands smooth and damage-free. Romantic waves never go out of style. In 2025, they're softer, more lived-in, and totally dreamy. This look is perfect for date nights, casual hangouts, and even bridal shoots. Add floral accessories or pearl pins for extra charm. Whether you use a curling wand or heatless rollers, the key is gentle waves, not tight curls. From lavender lilac to sunset copper, hair color is having a bold moment in 2025. We're seeing more women express themselves through creative shades. Whether it's just the tips, face framing streaks, or full head transformations, color is the new confidence. If you're planning to dye your hair, always consult a pro or do a strand test at home. Braids are not just for schoolgirls anymore. Think sleek side braids, boho crown braids, and even intricate fishtail styles. They're perfect for weddings, parties, or even work if styled right. Braids add texture, keep your hair secure, and scream elegance. Want a tutorial on trending braid styles? Let us know in the comments. The blunt bob is here to dominate. This low-maintenance, high-fashion haircut suits almost every face shape. Whether it's chin length or slightly below the jawline, the 2025 bob is sharp, confident, and ultra-modern. Pair it with bold lips and minimal makeup for that Parisian look. One of the biggest trends this year is embracing natural texture. Coils, curls, waves. Wear them proudly. Say goodbye to heavy heat tools and hello to curl-enhancing creams, diffusers, and deep conditioning masks. Natural hair care is also booming, with more clean and organic brands hitting the shelves. From Korean minimalist fringes to Afro-Caribbean twist-outs, 2025 is all about global inspiration. Fashion capitals like Seoul, Paris, and Lagos are shaping modern hairstyle trends with a cultural blend of tradition and innovation. The blunt bob. This sleek, edgy cut continues to dominate runways and red carpets alike. With its sharp edges and minimal styling effort, the blunt bob is perfect for women who want a bold, modern look without the fuss. Next, curtain bangs. These soft, face-framing bangs have made a huge comeback, and they're not going anywhere. They work with almost every hair type, straight, wavy, or curly, and add instant softness and charm. Pair them with a layered haircut or long straight hair for a trendy, casual vibe. That's it for today's hairstyle forecast. Which trend was your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe to Hairstyle Trends for more weekly videos on what's hot and what's not. Share this video with a friend who needs hair inspo. And remember, your hair is your crown. Wear it with pride.